Right, 5.4, adoption of the triennial arrangements, agreements with the regional councils. Jane, good afternoon, Jane.
Hi. Right, I'll take the report as read, and I will note that Waikato, Bay of Plenty and Horizons are pretty much standard, and they have just been amended to include the changes to section 15 of the LGA, which just basically strengthens the agreements. However, Hawke's Bay, we are recommending now to actually withdraw the triennial agreement from being adopted today. This is predominantly because an agreement was agreed to on the 14th of February. It then went to the Hawke's Bay Regional Council on the 22nd of February, where they proposed quite a substantial change. This led to the other councils, well, the other territorial authorities that have recommended adopting the triennial agreement, agreeing to the original agreement on the 14th of February and ignored the change on the 22nd. As a consequence, we went back to the other councils, noting that because we're a non-primary agreement signatory, that we will be removing it from being adopted today. We also noted that basically we are party to 4 agreements, and this is the only one where we've actually had some issues. So again, I'll open up to questions.
Sorry, Jane, you mind tell us what the issues are?
Right. The major change that the Regional Council has included in the agreement that they adopted and the territorial authorities have not is establishing a resource consent committee that will also have elected members on it. So there's a lot of discussion between the councils about whether or not that's appropriate.
All right. Any questions? So you're suggesting to park the Hawke's Bay one?
Yes. And we will adopt it when they've got a final full agreement.
So Hawke's Bay are aware of that?
Yes.
Okay. And the rest of the, sorry to labour on this, the rest of the Hawke's Bay councils, are they signed or?
So most of them have, but they've adopted different agreements. So it's not actually the same agreement that they have adopted.
You've got the differences there, and essentially because we're not that primary signatory, we're basically saying now that what we're suggesting that you say is you guys sort it out and come back to us when you've got something that we can consider, and we'll reconsider it then.
Yeah. Okay, all right. I think we've got as clear as possibly we could.
Just through the chair,
Let someone understand. Yeah.
I just had one question of Jane, thank you. Are we non-primary signatories for Horizons Bay or primary?
Non-primary for Horizons as well.
Oh, okay. Just what I didn't see that as clear from the agreement. It was.
Right.
Have a look. Or am I looking at? It didn't seem to separate us out.
Page 1. Principal signatories are 1 to 8, and then non-primary signatories 1 to 3, and we're number 1.
Okay. Sorry, I must have misread that.
Okay.
Yep. No, that's okay. Thank you.
Any other questions or queries of Jane? Okay, so the recommendation there is the council adopts 1, 2 and 3, correct? Cross number 4 out. Yes. Could I have a mover, please? Thank you, Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Truman. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Carried. Thank you, Jane.